Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried mozzarella. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. Set up 3 shallow dishes, 1 for the flour, 1 for the beaten eggs, and 1 for the breadcrumbs. This organized approach makes the breading process much smoother and more efficient, ensuring you're ready for the next steps. Now let's perfect the breading. Cut your mozzarella into 1/2 inch thick sticks or cubes. First, dredge each piece in the flour, tapping off any extra. Next, dip it into the beaten eggs, letting any excess drip away. Then, roll it thoroughly in the breadcrumbs, making sure it's completely covered. For an extra crispy crust and to prevent the cheese from oozing out, repeat the egg and breadcrumb steps for a double coating. This is a crucial step. It's time to fry. Pour about 2 inches of vegetable oil into a heavy-bottomed pot and heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a thermometer is key for consistent results. Fry your breaded mozzarella in small batches, cooking each piece for about 30 seconds per side until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Overcrowding the pot will lower the oil temperature, leading to greasy mozzarella. Once cooked, use a slotted spoon to remove them and drain on paper towels. Your delicious fried mozzarella is ready. Serve it immediately while it's still hot and gooey. It pairs perfectly with a warm marinara sauce for dipping. Here's a pro tip. After breading, freeze your mozzarella for about 30 minutes before frying. This helps the cheese firm up, preventing it from melting too quickly and oozing out during cooking. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly crispy fried mozzarella, a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.